Hey guys, welcome. Here in this video I would like to show you how to add Endscreen on a YouTube video. Now you can say how to add a video thumbnail or tag a video in a YouTube video. So let me show you how it would look like. Okay. So
files, the display driver problem or
here
the
you
error
will
which is coming,
see how it will come. Look, this is the
and it should help you.
for subscribing, this middle one,
Also another thing,
then all
which I
these three
wanted,
are video thumbnail added.
you need to
So
click
how
on
you
this
can do
download.
this? Okay,
It should
so if you want to add this now, if you press this one, it can open up or anything you want. So how you can do this? So I will show you here how to do that. Now here, okay, I will. Yes. Here it is, YouTube channel. Here, sorry, I would like to do this in desktop site. So you can see here. Now you have to go to your channel by clicking that. Now you can see here is customize channel. Now you can see on video manager. So here in the first video, if you see, if you want to add, here is this Endscreen button, the bottom right. Okay, so this is how you can add those thumbnails to your YouTube video at last. So this is how, when it will open up in a browser. Here you can see this is the page which comes. So you can see it will take time. So it will this is add element is now visible. Now you can click this and you can see many options. Like here it is for the subscribe button. Here if you click this create, okay, this will come up and you can just drag it anywhere you want. Okay, so this is how you can place. Now if you want to remove it, you can click on this edit button. Okay, and you can delete this also. Okay, this is how. Now if you want to add a video thumbnail, you can click on here add element, then the first option is video or playlist. Click that create, and then you can see third option, choose a video or playlist. Here you have your videos, or you can place whatever you like. For example, I would like to place this one. Okay, I will click on create element and it will just come up here, and you can drag it to any place you want. Okay, here it is actually a mobile, so it only two videos I can place. Okay, again click on this create, and then come on. So yeah, so so again it will come. If it is a full page, then you can do 4 elements. You can add 4 elements. Okay, so this is how it is, and you can delete also. So hope you got how to add Endscreen, which is known as Endscreen, but you can say how to add a thumbnail on a video, YouTube video. Hope it helped you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, support my channel. Thanks for watching.